chiaro adesso. Everyone, I am Silvia Giamichele. I am the hostess of Italian Sexy Dance Party. Join me for my shows where we go through the world of international sexy and where I lose my breath so much I can't do this no more.